Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes yummy, only ways. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and use room temperature milk and egg to improve emulsification. Whisk gently, avoiding overmixing, which causes rubbery pancakes. Rest the batter for 10 minutes so the flour hydrates and air bubbles stabilize. Heat a non-stick pan to medium-low and lightly oil it to create even browning and a soft interior. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes yummy, only ways. Enhance pancakes with simple, high-impact additions like vanilla, melted butter, or citrus zest. Mix in berries or chocolate chips just before cooking to avoid sinking and maintain distribution. Cinnamon or a tiny pinch of nutmeg adds warmth without overpowering. Taste the batter and adjust sweetness sparingly, then cook until golden to maximize flavor and aroma. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes yummy, only ways. Quick recommendation. On another note, I read a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that changed my approach to spending and saving, funly relevant when you choose where to splurge on good ingredients. If you enjoyed this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes yummy, only way. Preheat your pan so a drop of water sizzles then lowers, which signals ideal heat. Use a 1/4 cup measure for uniform pancakes and keep the skillet at medium-low to prevent dark, undercooked centers. Wait for bubbles and set edges before flipping once to lock in air and tenderness. Serve immediately for best texture and warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.